Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I have already said earlier also that reading is very much essential for improving spoken English. And also I have mentioned earlier too that find some book which you are comfortable with. Don't pick such book that every time you have to refer the dictionary and you would feel boring. So don't do like that, okay? And also recently I have came across one book. Actually I am not a bookworm. I don't like that much reading, but I enjoy sometimes according to my mood. But I am not a bookworm. But I was thinking to buy one book. Which one it is? It is Because Life is a Gift. This book I bought it from Flipkart. The link I will be providing on the description box. The price of the book is 175, but I got it for 95 rupees. And if you order it now, then you can get it for I think 85 rupees. And it's very affordable too. And one thing I want to say, this book, if you read it, this book can change your mindset and your thoughts. This book I won't be telling in details, but somewhat I would be telling now. As you can understand, the title of the book is written Life is a Gift. So like that only you can assume what this book gonna be all about. It's a motivational book. It's all about some people who are disabled, but still they have succeeded in their life without quitting their lives. We often, if something bad thing happens with us, we think we want to end our life, but still whatever happened with them, but still they are like an inspiration for us. So there are 15 short stories about 15 people, so you can read it. And also one thing I like the most is we often say them consider them as disabled, but here the author Disha has mentioned instead of disabled, she has written like differently abled. This thing I like the most in this book. So like that only you can understand how beautiful it is. And within 2.5 days I completed this book, and the thickness is not that much, you can complete it. Actually I don't like to read books, honestly I am telling, but I read it. I used to read books loudly when I was in school. The textual books only I used to read, but I didn't feel the thing to issue books from library, to buy books, because first I didn't get time. Second, I used to feel boring. But after that I felt, yeah, if you choose books wisely, then it's like very much interesting, and you can even finish the book within a day. Though I didn't have that time, that's the reason I was not able to complete it within one day. But if you find some time in a day, then you can complete it in one go only. It is very nice and very inspirational, guys, very very much. The link I am providing on the description, don't forget to check it out. One line I want to say, the paragraph which is given here, okay? It is written, he is 10 years old and confined to a wheelchair. About a person she is telling, but that not his identity to the world. He is India's youngest patent holder for inventing variants of chess for 6, 12 and 60 players. Have you heard of the army major who was declared dead in the Kargil war, but in India's first Blade Runner today? Do you think a woman without hands can be one of India's leading painters? What is the first thought? What comes in your mind when you see a differently able person? Pity or sympathy? The real life success story of 15 different able people chartered in Because Life is a Gift will make you think otherwise. You will sense pride replace all feelings of pity and sympathy, for they have fought against all odds to achieve their dreams. This book is a tribute to their courage, passion and zest for life. They will challenge your notion of the impossible. They will inspire you to live life to the fullest, because life is truly a gift. Really, by reading this paragraph only, I can assume that you have already got little bit motivation. And also, I have that kind of tendency, whenever I buy any kind of book, I read the first part and the last page. and by reading the last page only I became very much interested. Yeah, so guys, don't wait, quickly buy it and get some motivation. So yeah, this video is short. I will be ordering more such book, and also I will be providing the review of them so that you can also read and you also get some knowledge and motivation. The best part is it's very simple language written, but there are some words which may be unknown for you, so you can refer the dictionary like online dictionary or Google. Okay, alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. Bye everyone, take care.